So now let me ask a question. Do we have enough supply? So now it is asking questions from these two advisors. And then it is the agent, the agent gets the response, it summarizes and shows here. Data indicates that there's one work order with planned quantity, but no complete or rejected quantities. Same thing, let me ask, is there any demand for the item? Yes. So now you will see it aggregates insights. It calls these two agents. Each agents are specialized agents working individually. And then another agent will summarize the output and shows up in this summary section. Right? So these outputs are created by individual agents, summarized and shows up here in this summary section. So this is how multiple agents work congruently and then gets the output in front. Okay. Now let me show you how you can create individual agents. So the app section, you create the workspace, which is the agentic app. But to create that, you need agents, right? So this, in this agent studio, you can create the same way you create agent teams for agents. You follow the same process. Let's say I will put yes. I created a agent team. So the only change is it gives you a lot of additional functionality when you build an agentic app. As you can see, it creates these three sections come automatically whenever you create an agent team, and then it will have true or false. It'll extracts the user input. It extracts the information, and then it gets the demand details, which is a business object. So you more or less it's the same as like how you create an agent, right? You create a business object, create topics, you create tools, then you agents and agent teams. That's how you create agents, agent studio, right? Somewhat similar, but you get more additional functionality. For example, you get LLM, you get agent, you get workflow, RAG document tool. So those are additional things. Sending an email, the additional data processor, vector database reader, vector. So these are additional functions you can drag and drop. Once you fill these details, it will show up here. You can assign it here. So these are extra fields which are specific for building agentic apps, which will show up right here. You can drag and drop it, configure it, and even you can also test it. So let me show you another way of creating agentic app. So I go to app section, I click plus, I give it a name. Let's say you need to give a proper description. So now it shows I'll get this screen. So I'm going to let the system create an agentic app based on my prompt. Workspace to find out demand trends for the next 6 months using forecast. Build it in Redwood UI. Now the system will assemble the required agents based on your prompt. So it shows this particular agent is good for answering your particular prompt. And then on top of it, you can add multiple agents and communication channel. Whether you want to create an email or a PDF or a PowerPoint, you can do that. You can build on top of it. So this is how you can easily create an agent workspace using AI agentic, AI agent, sorry, Oracle Agent Studio. Okay. Thanks for watching.